Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the UGREEN Nexode RG fast charger. So this is a 65 watt and it's good for MacBooks as well, MacBook Airs. Alright, and it's got like a nice little screen on it as well, as you can see. So sorry about my voice, I'm a bit ill at the moment. But yeah, it's getting better. So yeah, normally it's £35. It's currently on sale for £28. I got it for £26 with the 5% off or something like that. Okay, so let's have a look at the packaging. The packaging looks pretty nice itself. So these are the faces it makes. So when it's on standby, when nothing's plugged in, it'll make that face. When it's fast charging, it'll make that face. So the eyebrows will go up. When it's fully charged and trickle charging, the mouth will disappear. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So yeah, and these are the speeds. I believe this does Samsung fast charging. Let's have a look. So if you have a newer phone, you can do 45 watts of Samsung fast charging. That's what. So if you're looking for a high speed fast charger, you need something like this, compared to like a Samsung original one or Anker. I was looking at Anker, but they have a lot of bad reviews that the plug end breaks off, you know, so I didn't bother with that. And Cosmo as well, so I'd rather get this. Is beautiful. This was on this Cosmo, but it's on sale, so it come out cheaper than the other one. And it's better, isn't it? Okay, so this is a 65 watt sorry guys, 65 watt 3-port GaN fast charger. So GaN is like a better technology basically, so it's just more efficient, less heat, but it costs more. That's why this usually does cost a lot more, but it's on sale at the moment. So input, we don't care about the input. All we care about is the output. So USB C 1, USB C 2. So it's got 2 USB C ports. So with them you use USB C to C. So the fastest you can do is, so on the first port you can do all the way up to 65 watts, which is really good. So Samsung uses 15 volts at 3 amps, which is 45 watts. So my phone is 25 watts you can use up to, which is super fast charging, I it's called or something. Or 30 watts, I can't remember, something like that. That'll be that one, I reckon. And there's your normal fast charge, there's your Apple fast charge. So yeah, that's your fast charging. So if you're using the first port, you get 65 watts to full speed. If you're using the second port, you get up to 30 watts only. And the third port, it goes up to 22.5 watts only, which is the normal USB port. And the total power output is 65 watts. So if you're using the full 65 watts on the first port, the other 2 ports aren't going to work, or it'll slow down the charge on the first port. I don't know, we'll figure it out, we'll see what happens. So yeah, the maximum it can only do 65 watts. So that's pretty decent for mine, because I can use 2 fast chargers on mine, because I don't use the full 65 watts anyway. Mine uses 25 or 30 watts, so it'll still be underneath, which is perfect. Yeah, just as I said, it's more efficient and less heat. That's what it is. That's what GaN is. GaN is a different type of what you call it, like a charging technology inside it. So it's got thermal guard. Here's all the over voltage and all that stuff, under voltage, all that stuff in there. So yeah, now, oh, do I see the back of this? No, I didn't. So it supports quick charge, power delivery, and all this thingy. It's got smart power delivery, blah blah blah. High speed charging. Wow. Alright guys, I have to break these seals, so I could just rip your foot my hand. Come on, you bastard. What the fuck's going on? Can you hear the cops? Come on, come on. There you go. Oh, I like that. Look at the gold. Bam. Oh, look at that. Hi, you can call me Robot GaN. It shows you all the stuff again. Come on, robot, get out of there. That's quite heavy, you know. Okay, your user instructions, don't really need them. Look at yeah. Do the bastard. What's this? Single port charging. So if you use the first port at the top is 65 watts. Second port is 30, like I said. Next one after is 22.5. And then if you're using two ports at once, if you use the two top ones, your max will be 45 watts you can use at the top. Second one will be 20 watts. If you're using just the top and the bottom, you get 45 watts and 18 watts of power. If you're using just the two bottom ones, you're getting 7.5 watts and 7.5 watts. That's a weird split on that end, I don't know why. But yeah, we'll see. And then if you're using all three, bloody hell. If you're using all three, that's your full 65 watts, I believe. 15 at 45 is 60. Where's the extra 5 watts, guys? I guess you'll underpowers it a bit. So yeah, you'll still get fast charging for the full max speed of the Samsung fast charging. And then you got a bit of power on these two, which isn't much, but it's alright. I'll give you a slow charge with these ones. That's if you're using all three ports. I'm going to use two ports, so it'll be 45 and 20 for me, which is fast charging, like full fast charging and normal fast charging for me. Perfect. So yeah, this will do the purpose, guys. I like the packaging, guys. There you go. Look at that. Charge mode with me fast start. Okay, thank you very much. Let's get the robot out. Is anything else in there? Nope. This is the Boltumia. Look at that. Remove this film. Of course I am gonna hate that. I don't like films. Hey, come here, you bastard. Oh no, why is it so stuck on, man? Yeah, oh, look at that screen, bro. Look at that beautiful screen. I love it. Gloss black. It's got headphones on, as you can see. It's 65 watts. That's pretty nice. That's his ass. Now you take it off. I don't know. I think I have to yank it off with both hands. But yeah, I like the color scheme. The grey and black is very beautiful. Pretty cute, isn't it? Very cute. There's your USB C ports. There's your USB normal port. There's your headphones. Alright, I'm gonna plug this in. Let me take his ass off first. I think I need both hands for this. Let me see. Yeah, so you need both hands to take his ass off. So this is just all protection for his ass. Yeah, there you go. That's just a protection for his ass. And there's the actual charger itself. So it's just a normal 3-pin UK pin thing. Blah blah blah. Right, I'll go plug this in somewhere. What the fuck do I plug out now? I think that's my fan. Let me take the fan out. Right. Oh, the screen's on this side. There you go. There's his face. So nothing's plugged in at the moment, so that's what it shows. It doesn't have any other LEDs on it indicating anything. But yeah, that's the charger itself. Pretty cool. I highly recommend it, guys. Check out my description. I'll leave a link for you in the description with a referral code that you can go check it out. You might get a discount. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully my voice comes back. It's been a week and my voice has not come back. So pray for me, guys. Good night.